Hello everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. My name is Charu and today I will be recommending romance books which are actually good. I get that the entire genre of romantic literature gets a lot of hate because all that you find in the market are Colin Hoover books and you don't want to read them. I am here with some actually good recommendations. But honestly, this entire thing about the Colin Hoover hate thing, my perspective here just lies on the thing that I haven't read any of her books myself, but I think that the entire hate she's getting is because of the audience she caters. It's mostly teenage girls, and everything that teenage girls do or like is being made fun of in the pop media. It is a fact, don't come at me. Be it Taylor Swift, be it BTS, be it the color pink, everything would be made fun of in a very derogatory way. This is also where the pick me and I'm not like other girls trope comes from. But let the kids live. जो पढ़ना है पढ़ो, कॉलिन हूवर पढ़ना है पढ़ो, फुटबॉल देखना है फुटबॉल देखो. Coming to the book recommendations, the first book that I want to talk about is Conversation with Friends by Sally Rooney. Sally Rooney is very famous आजकल के modern contemporary डेटिंग लाइफ को बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से लिखने में. हर स्टोरीज आर वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड विच इज़ ट्रू फॉर द फैक्ट कि मॉडर्न डेटिंग भी इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. मोर दैन अ रोमांटिक नॉवल, इट्स मोर ऑफ अ कंटेम्परेरी कैरेक्टर स्टडी एज वेल. अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन, आई लाइक conversation with friends more than normal people for various personal reasons as well. But everything aside, Sally Rooney is a must-read holy bible to the contemporary world of romance literature. The next book that I want to talk about is Everything That I Know About Dolly Alderton. It is a collection of stories from her early youth, early 20s, more about dating in her early youth, finding a partner with true authentic connection and going out on dates in her early youth, which is a very well compiled collection in this book. Would definitely recommend. Moving on to the next recommendation that I have is De Profundis by Oscar Wilde. It is a letter which was written by Oscar Wilde to his lover while he was in jail. The letter is filled with so many insults and attacks and इतने गिले शिकवे जो एक्चुअली बोलते हैं ना कि लवर मुझे छोड़ के चले गए एंड देन ही स्टिल क्राइंग अबाउट इट कि तूने मेरे को छोड़ कैसे दिया. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी स्टार्स कोलाइड एंड सम लवर्स मीट. इट्स जस्ट अ स्टोरी अबाउट two men who fell in love and destroyed everything for themselves, especially around the time where homophobia was such a huge concept. And talking about letters, आज की डेट पे भी letters are fancied to be epitome of romantic love. Letters देना, letters लेना is a very romantic form जो हमेशा से देखी जाती है. One of my favorite letter collection is खतों का सफ़रनामा, which is exchange of letters between Amrita Pritam and Amrose. इनकी भी कहानी बहुत लंबी है, which you must have heard of. But I was planning to do an entire video on letters exchanged between authors and poets and all the lovers, the artist people of the generation. In one of his letter, Van Gogh writes to his brother Theo that letter writing is the highest art form of a writer, which is very well said. Moving on to the next recommendation that I have is Time Stops at Shamli by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond की ये किताब जो है, it's a compilation of short stories और उसमें से एक स्टोरी है टाइम स्टॉप्स एट शामली, जिसमें शामली इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पे अपेरेंटली दी ऑथर की लवर रहती है. वहाँ पे बेसिकली टाइम रुक जाता है. इट्स ऑन हाउ ही मीट्स हिज ओल्ड लवर एंड एवरीथिंग दैट फॉलोज अलॉन्ग इट. बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से लिखी है, बहुत सुंदर मोनोलॉग्स है बीच बीच में और बहुत छोटी सी भी है स्टोरी. Would definitely recommend. The next recommendation I have is The Beautiful Room is Empty by Edmund White. Edmund White writes इतनी ज़्यादा खूबसूरती से. एवरी सेंटेंस फील्स लाइक पोइट्री. द प्रोज इज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर. इन द बुक एडमंड वाइट टॉक्स अबाउट द लोनलीनेस दैट एंटायर young gay men have to face in this generation so beautifully, and honorary mentions here for the book Call Me By Your Name. I think everyone would agree with me that Call Me By Your Name movie was absolutely beautiful and the book is as beautiful as the movie. Book में जो मुझे बात बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगी थी is the representation of unrequited love. of this longing for this person that he can't even confess his feelings to. About half of the books goes along the lines of this fascination for this human. वो इतनी प्यार से लिखी है सारी बात in the entire book, and then he gets the man he loved. फिर बाद में heartbreak वाला part. Everything is just too good. So the next book I want to talk about is Essays on Love by Elian De Botton. Elian De Botton is a very famous guy. You must know him from the channel School of Life. इस channel पे भी बहुत लोग बात कहते हैं Elian De Botton के बारे में. So the book is basically about this man who meets this girl in a flight, and by the end of the flight जब वो land करते हैं, he knows that he's in love with the lady. In general romance का सारा genre is थोड़ा pretentious, थोड़ा सा cocky, लोगों को थोड़ा unsettling लगता है कि क्यों लिखा है, why is it so unreal stuff happening. But मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा let go of your steam, थोड़ा सा दिल खोल दो, दिमाग खोल के से पढ़ो. नहीं, दिल खोल दो, दिमाग बंद करके पढ़ो. So the next book that I want to talk about is a poetry collection by Andrew Marvell. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर poetry collection है. I love good metaphysical poets. I had read John Donne इसके पहले. I read this book very recently. And need not to say ये पुराने writers authors बहुत problematic है. Whatever they are writing about is not right at all. But इसका एक बहुत famous work है जो मे भी आप सबने देखा होगा, तो is Koi Mistress करके, where he is writing about this lady he's in love with, but the lady is married to some other man. The common theme सभी पुराने poets की यही चीज़ है. I can't do anything about it, but बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से लिखा है in almost all of his poems. Would 10 on 10 definitely recommend. Another poetry collection इसके साथ में मेरे पास है, which is I Hate and I Love by Catalyst. Catalyst की ये poetry collection जो है was about this woman, pen name जिसका नाम इसने लेस्बिया दिया है. लेस्बिया was an aristocratic woman who goes back to the comfort of her husband, leaving her boy Catalyst alone and crying and obsessive in love with Lesbia, जो कि बहुत ही extreme level पे भी लिखी गया है. It's almost like Ranjana but back in the date. Catalyst is so obsessive in his writing कि obscene तो of course ये है ही चीज़ें, but you can almost feel कि कितने ही ज़्यादा इंटेंस इमोशन के साथ में इस आदमी ने ये चीज़ लिखी होगी. देयर इज़ दिस वेरी फेमस लाइन फ्रॉम वन ऑफ हिज पोएम्स जो मैं बस सुनाऊंगी. आई हेट एंड आई लव, इफ़ यू आस्क मी हाउ, आई डोंट नो, आई ओनली फील इट एंड आई एम टॉर्न इनटू. दैट इज़ इट फ्रॉम माई साइड. आई होप you like the video and I will see you next time. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being kind.